The theatre of absurd is a term coined by the Martin Esslins in his essay The Theatre of Absurd in 1960. The word absurd means, as per the quotation taken from Eugene Ionesco, something which does not have a purpose, aim or objective. As we see Vladimir and Estragon in the play of Samuel Beckett in The Waiting for Godot 1954, they are contemplating on suicide. Why? Because they are getting bored, so they want to die now. So you can see how meaningless, fruitless or aimless this life has been become. This was a movement which came in France after the World War II, but this word absurd or the absurd term alone, for the very first time we get to see this in Albert Camus' essay The Myth of Sisyphus 1942, and it has its roots in movements like expressionism and surrealism. And if we talk about the playwrights who have used this theme in their plays, so then we have 2 to 3 playwrights. The very first one is the Eugene Ionesco. His play The Bold Soprano in 1948. Then we have The Lessons 1951, and then we have Samuel Beckett, the famous one, Waiting for Godot, The Endgame, Crab's Tape. Then we have Tom Stoppard, The Rosencrantz and Guildenstern Are Dead, and The Travesty. So these are the very important playwrights and the plays that you have to cover for your NET, SET and GATE examination.